Hello, hi. Welcome back. My name is Nzeda Rotondwa, and I will be teaching you my foundation students. Today, we'll be learning about two-letter words. Are you ready? Two-letter words. By now, you know how to write the alphabets, and you also know how to pronounce the sounds of the alphabet. Now we are beginning to learn how to write. Are you ready? Now we have got this alphabet and you're going to be writing at your books. Now write alphabet B E. Alphabet B E. Now, alphabet B-E, when we pronounce it, we say what? B. This is it. B-E. And when you pronounce it, we say B. Now, write alphabet D-O. D-O. When we pronounce it, it says do. And this is how we write it. Do. Okay? Now write alphabet G-O. Alphabet G and O. And when you pronounce it, it says go. Go. This is how we write it. Go. Now write alphabet H-E. H-E. When we pronounce it, it says ye. H-E, it says ye. Now write alphabet M-E. Alphabet M-E. When you write alphabet M-E, when you pronounce it, it will say me. Me. Yes. M-E, me. Now we are coming to alphabet N-O. N-O. It will say no. No. N-O. It says no. Now we are coming to alphabet S-O. S-O. It will say what? So. It will say what? So. Now write alphabet T-O. T-O. It will say what? Two. Hey, don't say S-O, say so. And T-O will say to. No. It says two. Okay? Two. Now we are coming to alphabet W-E. It will say what? W-E. It will say we. It will say we. Okay? Now write alphabet I-N. I-N. When you combine it, it will say what? In. It will say what? In. Now write alphabet I-T. I-T. When you pronounce it, it will say what? Eat. Eat. Not the eat of eating the food. Eat. Of pointing something. Ne? Now, write alphabet U-P. When you combine U-P, it will not say oop, but it will say up. 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 Now write alphabet H-I. H-I. Now alphabet H-I. When you combine it and pronounce it, it will say hi. Hi. Hi is greetings. Now write alphabet U-S. U-S. You and I together. Us. U-S. Us. It will say us. Now write alphabet S. A-S. Can you write it? Let me see which alphabet will you use to write S. Did you use A, S, or did you use S only? S, it's A, S. S, A, S. Now write at. Now the word at, it's made up of alphabet A and T. A and T. These are the alphabets that we write using a consonant and a vowel. One consonant, one vowel. Okay, so all those words that we were doing, it was one consonant, one vowel. One consonant, one vowel. Can you write or? Let me see, which consonant will you use and which vowel will you use? Or. Now or, it's made up of the vowel O and the consonant R, and then it will say or. Now write if. Let me see. If. Now if, it's made up of a consonant I and the vowel F. When you combine I and F, it will say if. Now okay. Okay, 2-letter words. Yeah, there is at the end, so it sounds like there is more than two, ne? Now it's the vowel O and the consonant K, and then when you combine it together, it will sound okay. Two last. Before I give you the two Basera words, the two last words, can you try give me a word of 2 letters that does not have any vowel? Drum roll. Ta-da! What are those words? I did the research myself. I only found 2. Maybe you can find more than 2, eh? It will be your homework. I found the word buy. It is made up of a consonant B and the consonant Y. When you combine together, they say buy. And I also found the word my. It is made up of a consonant M and the consonant Y, and when you combine it together, it says my. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel and learn with me today. Stay blessed. Keep on learning more. If you've got more questions, ask on the session. I will answer to you. The video that is coming after this one, it will be of 3-letter words. I hope you would be ready for 3-letter words. God bless you. Do you want to see my face in close? This is it. This is me. Thank you.